Hello guys, how are you? So it's been long time and I haven't uploaded any video and finally we come up with new video. Okay. So as you know, I'm also learning, so sometimes it take time to come, but here we are. So I have cloned this time Coven website. I haven't cloned all the pages. I have just cloned home page. Okay. So I have used React and Material UI to make this website. Mostly I have used MUI because I wanted to use many more MUI components. So here you can see that I have used logo. Here you can see menu, and here is one simple button. And here you can see one single page, and then it's some details here, icons details. Here you can see I have used left border, and here you can see that we can search vaccination center. These are normal. Here you can see you can search by district, by pin, and by map. Map is a third party of NUI and React, but I tried using that and I didn't get that. I don't know why Google is refusing the connection. I have to check that. If you know, then let me know in comment. So this one I have used and I have made with NUI. And if I go down, then here you can see that map image are there, and here some vaccine delivered citizen fully vaccinated. Here you can see percentage, and here is one button. If you click here, then it will redirect to main Coven website dashboard, and here you can see the details. Okay, like this. I wanted to make this too, but it's very tough, and I'm working on that. Once it will done, then definitely I will come back to you. Okay, so this is a button. Once we come down, then here I have used cards. Cards you get in NUI component, they will make, and you have to just simply use, and if you want to remove anything, you can remove. So here you can see that book appointment for vaccine. Here you can read about that. And if you want to know more details, then you can simply click here and you can get more details here. Okay, so here you can see, if you want to more, then you can click here, and like this you can click on any button. I haven't changed image, but content are different. Okay, contents are different. Here you can see the partners, which partners has joined with Coven. Okay, and here is simply footer and copyright. Actually copyright of Coven only, but I have cloned, so I have simply written here name. Don't mind much. I have wrote, that's why I have wrote in bracket. Okay, so cloned by Dolly, and let's go to code and see fastly. Before that, I would like to show you uh, few MUI components which are quite tough, and you should use that. And if you want to make, then you can search here. So first of all is tabs. Okay, so which I have used tabs for navbar, which I have taken from here itself. Here you can see 1 2 3. Whenever we are scrolling, is changing the thing, but you can get other components also. Here also the same kind of thing, and I have used this one. Okay, and I have changed the color of it. Okay, so I have used that one. And here is a button also you can get from here. Actually you can get each and everything, whatever you have you want to use, you can get everything here. Buttons, and here I have used outline button. So this is the button. If you want other, then you can scroll and you can see different kind of button, different colors. Okay, now let's go. And here also we have used tabs only. If you observe, then here I said that there was showing item 1, item 2, right? So for that also I have used first one, and at this place I have used uh, buttons and text area to get pin here, and and I have given button here, nothing else. Okay, and what else? Next is cards. Okay, so for card, here also again you can search card here, and you will get multiple kind of card. You can use this, and I have used this one. See, it was happening same like that, right? So I have used this card. Simply I have copied from here and I have customized with it. If you want to see whole code, then you can click on this and you can see the whole code. Okay, so this one I have used, and nothing much. I have kept it simply, and I will show you the code now how I have done this. Okay, so first of all I will go to app.js, and here you can see that I have imported everything in one page, and here I have uh, I am importing it and rendering it. Okay, here I have imported and here I am rendering it. Okay, now let's go to index page and let me show you. Before that, let me show you folder structure, so it will be easy. So this is my Coven website project, and src code component, and here you can see index page are there, and whatever I have used you can see here folder wise. In HTML CSS we were writing everything in single page itself, but in React you have to divide the thing and you have to write in many parts and you have to import and render it, so you will get less bugs. So I have clicked on index page, and here you can see I have main page of index. Okay, so here I have imported everything: header, home, search center, vaccination cards, and Coven partners and footers. Okay, now let me show you one by one, and then we will go deeper. So here you can see I will go with header first. So in header, I haven't done much thing. I have imported the logo and I'm using logo here. Uh, I'm using logo here, and after that there is tabs, okay, which I have showed you before. This is the tabs, and I have changed the color and all. Okay, tabs, and inside that there is tab. Okay, and after that there is one register button which you can see here. Okay, so header is done. Now I will go with home, and you have came with this part now. So this image and this row will show you this line, blue colored line, okay, in this home page. So here you can see that I have imported that image, full size full width image, and here I have imported that, and after that this part has started for next row, which you can see there. So here I have used icon before support for COVID. Here you can see that mobile icon, so I have used here. Okay, and this thing also you can get in MUI. Here simply you have to click and search icon, and icon is a third party package, so you have to install that. So here you can see many icons, and if you want to see whole icon, then you can click here and you can search whatever you want. Okay, from here you can search whatever icon you want. Now let's go back, and this is very simple. This is like HTML only. Okay, and to give border left side, then I have used CSS. So here left side you can see, and I have imported everything here. So here you can see left side, and border is 2 pixel white, padding 5 rem. So I have got something like this. Okay, now let's come to next part, and here you can see that, let me close this. So home page we have done. Now we have came to search center. So search center, you can see that first of all there is by district. So we will see first district one. So here I have given a state value and district value. It's object, which you can see here. If you click on this, then you will get options, and here you will get district option. So for that I have given a state object and district object, and I will access this using functions and use state. So here you can see I have used that for state, and I have used this use state for district, and here for that for state I have run function here, and for this is for district. Okay, and here I have returned box, and inside box there is first text area, not text area, it's text field, and this is the second one, and here I have used map for district and map for state. Okay, and if you come down, then here I have used button, which you can see here. Okay, same like that I have done with pin also, which you can see here. So for pin I haven't given any suggestion, you have to type simply. So for pin I have removed everything, and I have just given one text field and one button here. Okay, and for map, actually map is also a third party, but I tried making it and I was unable to make that. But anyhow, if you know, then let me know in comment, and I will simply show you the code. So for map I have used this. Okay, so for map this is, and second thing is I have divided this also in two parts. Here you can see center one. So in center one you will get this content here, and this login to book your slot. Till here you will get in slot one, and in slot two this district map pin and center, these things are coming in second one. Okay, So here I have imported again center 1 and center 2 because I don't wanted to mess up anything. So center 1 and center 2 I have taken access here, and this center have got access in this one, okay, which you can see here, search center. Okay, now we will come to next part. Here you can see that map is there, and some informations are there about vaccine. So we will come to next part. So let me close this search bar, and here is vaccination. In vaccination, you can see that India is running the world largest vaccination drive, which you can see here. And after that, I have divided this thing in two parts. Okay. So here you can see left side has image, and after that it has started the second content. Okay. And I have done CSS to divide the thing, as you know. So here in second part, I have used icon and vaccine delivered, and these are a few numbers. I have customized with CSS, nothing big deal. So I have done nothing much here, okay? And for this, I have got one button, which you will see down. Here is the button, full width I have taken. See, full width is a MUI default function. If you not use, then you will get button something like this. If you use full width, then it will take the whole space, okay? And here I have given that link, so that's why it's redirecting there, and that's it. Now we will come to card part, and we will see that. So for single card, actually we can get all the information in single card itself, but right now I was not able to use that, and I was getting some errors, so I have divided those 4 cards in 4 card itself. We can do with single card also, okay? So here I will show you the single card. So simply I have imported this card from here itself, which I have shown you before. This card I have imported, and I have changed few things here. For example, I don't wanted that avatar, and it was looking like different, so I removed whatever I wasn't want, like I did not want, so I removed them, and I changed the contents here. Okay, and same like that I did with card 2, card 3, and card 4 as well. Okay, now we will come to partners. So partner is nothing. I have just done with a single I have done like HTML page only. So here CoWIN partners are there, and here you can see that our partners, and I have imported the image, and I have played with CSS. Okay, so here you can see CSS as well for partnership. Where is that gone? Yeah, here you can see. So I have done some CSS there for this. So that's it. And the footer is there. Footer is nothing. If you observe, then there is nothing changes, and I have done like HTML only as we use. So I will show you that also faster. So footer. Here you can see that I have wrote all the things, and I have played with CSS. Nothing new here. Okay. So this is the footer, and I haven't given any link till now. So yes. So that's the thing, and here you can see I have given copyright also, so it's totally up to you how you want to design. I felt that the color was awesome and the design is making simply good, so I have designed this thing. Try it out, and try by yourself, and let me know how your page are looking. If you don't know React, then try with HTML and CSS also. Please share me also that how you are making, and if you want me to change anything, then let me know. Okay, and here I will show you, if you want to get access to those code, then you can simply come to my page, and you can see here React CoWIN project. So you can click on this, and this is public, so you can access the code and you can learn from here. Okay, so please go check it out, and I hope this video will help you to improve your MUI component and React project. And thank you so much for staying till end. We will meet soon, and we will come soon with new projects. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much for staying.